Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next move right here for security, click on the screen lock, and we can set up one of the following screen locks, so swipe, pattern, pin, or password. So go for your favorite. I will set up the pattern, read the description, then click yes, input pattern, click next, and draw it one more time. Click confirm. Right now we can adjust notifications on the lock screen, and let's try our new lock method. So lock device and then unlock by using this simple pattern code. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.